the lane. Lakas ang kanyang tira. Gets the rebound, pero may pito.
May nahuli. So, Ronnie Del Tama. Sino ba to?
Ronnie Del Campo over the back.
Nanulak eh.
Oh, nanulak. Play na yun. And Irvin Soto goes out. Doug Kramer comes back in.
Well, meron tayong stat dito. No? Ang Air 21 has 7 steals in the ball game, pero none of those were completed by the chief team.
Oo.
Winnie Arboleda.
Sarap na para sa Pure Foods din mo. Peter Jun Simon leading them. Roger Yap 13. Yung dalawang biggest guns nila, third and fourth lang.
Okay lang yun.
Ito si Roger Yap wants to add on. Marvin Cruz na hawakan ang arms nito si Roger Yap going up. So si Roger Yap titira ng dalawang free throw to add on to his statistics. 13, a chance to get to 15. Pure Foods TJ Giants ang tumawag ng timeout ngayon at the 4:59 mark of our fourth and final quarter.
Lumayo na kaagad itong Pure Foods. It was close towards the end ng third quarter, 64-61. Puntos at suddenly, nakaalagwa itong Pure Foods at ginawa ng 9 nating run para sa 12-point lead. And then, pinanatili na lang nila yung kalamangan. 2 free throws completed by Roger Yap. This is the biggest lead in sa ating ball game.
19 points na yan, 15 points si Roger Yap. He's got 7 rebounds from the point guard position.
Tinapon pa yung bola.
Labas na naman ang
May
bola.
nakatapik.
Pero tip out itong Pure Foods. So the ball will stay with Al. Mag-i-inbound sa baseline. Maunahan tumanggap, balik kay Intal. So Arboleda takes a three-pointer, right corner court. Wala yan. Rebound play. Intal gets it, goes up. Stopped by Mark Pingris. One more time. Arboleda all the way to the basket. Winnie Arboleda. Talk about a conflict in the air by 2-point guards. Yan na yun.
Dalawang bato-batong point guards.
Oo, yan ang pinaka-bato-batong point guard sa ating liga. At alam ni Arboleda na, ay, trabaho lang yan eh. Diba, tayo lang siya, puti sa free throw line, no harm. Kasi kung si Roger Yap drive ng ganun din ang gagawin ko sa kanya.
Din, Do you want to others, ha? What you want others, do want you.
Pero 1 out of 2 lang para sa kanya. So that's too little para rito sa Air 21. They can't get a point every possession. 18-point lead. Mark Pingris. Umangat.
Goaltending ba yan?
Umihingi ng goaltending ang Pure Foods dahil tumama sa board.
Teka, pag-uusapan ng mga referees yan.
Yung foul, tinawag na. And the referees are conferring 2 shots.
So hindi
Not
goaltending yan.
counted. Not counted. Ayun, no? Boom, tumama sa board. Tinapik. Tira nito. Which normally would have been called a goaltending. Diba dahil tumama na sa board. Pero on the play, the foul had come already. Kaya ito 2 free throws para kay Mark Pingris. Mark Pingris expecting a baby. With his
Baby Mark din there, Baby Mark.
Wala, baka kung mala Baby James yun, di ba? 88-68, suddenly 20-point bubble para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. And, alam mo, all the way to the start of the fourth quarter, di natin iniisip na maging ganito to. TM Press natin sa inyo ni JC Intal.
Well, career high ito si JC Intal. 11 points na siya. Pero bale mo na kung matatalo sila eh.
Oo nga. At James Yap, napakasimpleng rebound. Not scared of the big man in front of him. Intal wants to go again. Back-to-back TM Press mula kay JC Intal.
Bagay na bagay sa Air 21 to si JC Intal. Big guy, can dunk, can lead,
run,
can shoot the 3-point shot.
Roger Yap, all the way to the basket. Hindi pumasok ang kanyang tiro. Randel, lead pass. Intal sana na naman yun. Easy layup, pero natawagan ng foul to stymie that fast break. Paring Winnie nasa linya ngayon para sa dalawang free throw. And Arboleda has not been himself. Silang dalawa ni Ronnie Del Campo.
Kaya nga,
Diba?
sila naman dalawa day off ngayon. Arboleda makes both free throws. Semblance of a rally coming from Air 21.
Baba sa 14. Ang lamang ng Pure Foods, 90-76, 3 minutes and 35 remaining. Nakaagaw pa sila rito. Di maunahan, misses the layup, pero Intal for the putback, piling up the points ang JC Intal.
16 points.
Napatawag ng timeout ang Pure Foods TJ Giants. It's a 30-second timeout, 3 minutes remaining. Siyempre, Although you're still up by 12. Baka na konti,
Oo,
3-28,
dahil
maraming
pwede
oras
pa yan eh.
Sabi natin kanina, Oplan bagsak Higante. And Air 21 was looking good na mapapabagsak din itong Higante na ito. Pero of late, itong Pure Foods talagang humarangkada na. With 3 minutes and 28 remaining, Bali, pwede pa. With a team like Air 21 who can get points in bunches, pwede humabot pa
Pwede.
ito.
Apat na 3-point shots, di ba? 12 points ang abante itong Pure Foods. Kanina, 20 yan eh.
And you look at Coach Dolrek Perasol, si Bo Perasol, tingnan mo parang kalmado pa rin siya. No signs of panic on his face. Coming off that timeout. Pero siyempre, kailangan nilang kumilas soon. Dahil 3:28 na lang natitira rito.
Teka lang ha. Merong hahatulan to eh.
Oo nga, may nangyayari rito. At meron ba mga maiinit na ulo on the floor?
Official timeout.
Officials timeout to confer what's going on. And so they're taking time for the teams to among themselves talk about their strategy para sa next 3:28. At sa mga officials nagko-komperensya pa at the center. At we'll hear what they have to say in a while. Ito, sinasabi na yung hardcourt barker natin kung ano bang what's the verdict dun sa kanilang pinagdidiskusyonan. At of course, itong Air 21 with the lineup that they have in now, Intal and Kramer, rookies pareho yan. Trying to catch up to the veteran lady.
Pwede pa yan. They're part of Air 21. And makita natin itong si Intal. Sabi nga ko nga kanina, 3.6 ang average niya. Pero ngayon, 16 na puntos na. Intal is definitely inside.
Ayan. Diba? Sabi natin, we're waiting for the breakout game. Ito na siguro yon. Pero siyempre, kung ikaw Air 21 fan, ayaw mo. Huwag pa ito. Gusto mo magkaka 30-point ball game.
Pwede yan.
Diba?
Pwedeng mangyari
eventually. Pero for now, pwede na yan. Ito itong Air 21, how quickly they can score points, di ba?
7 straight points in 30 seconds. At yung mga kasama natin sa industriya, Magumar John at Joey Santa Maria.
Nakalimutan si Mang Chris. Diba?
Nakimiss ko na yan eh.
Nasa Radyo PBA. Diba? And after all of that discussion,
What was it all about?
wala pa rin announcement dito on the court. And the players are waiting. Dito lahat sila, nagkwentuhan na sila. Ha?
Ito totoong delay of game.
Ayun na nga eh. Natawagan na ng delay of game ang magkabilang team kanina pa.
Nang tiglaw beses.
Oo. Pero ngayon, pag referee nag-delay ng game, okay lang yun eh. Ano nangyari dito? There's a correction on the floor. May challenge ba?
What? Mukhang yung Air 21 ang pinagsasabihan dito eh.
At 3:39 mark.
No, may
of the
challenge.
fourth quarter, there was a wrong shooter for the free throw shot. The
Okay.
free throw shooter must be Ranidel de Ocampo.
Ayun. Medyo nagkakalinaw dito ng konti. Mali daw ang tumira ng free throws a while ago. Sino ba tumira? Arboleda took free throws a while ago. Sinasabi ng mga referee pala, si Ranidel de Ocampo.
What?
Therefore, the official score is 19-74.
At ayun. Yan ang desisyon. Yan ang desisyon ng...
So, baliwala yung dalawang free throws, yung free throws si Arboleda at saka baliwala rin yung basket ni Intal.
So because of the mistake. So that's what happened, and that's the decision of the referees. Pupunta sa linya ngayon, i-reset. We are going back in time. Ang mangyayari dito, it seems, re-reset yung clock which is already at 3:28, binalik sa 3:39. Ranidel de Ocampo ang mag-free throw imbes na si Winnie Arboleda at will pretend that the 11 seconds that passed by did not happen. And si JC Intal in that span, qualified yung tira ni JC Intal. Yan ang nangyari dyan.
We were saying a 7-0 run ang Air 21 in a span of 30 seconds.
Make that
Wala na eh. 3-0 lang yun.
3-0 na lang.
Ano eh.
And Ranidel misses a free throw. So talagang nasira ang momentum ng Air 21 on that. But Arboleda gets it. Drops it off to Dimaunahan.
Ay,
Ayun.
pareho pa rin ang magiging resulta nito. Oo. pareho pa rin ang magiging resulta. Makaka-4 na puntos pa rin itong Air 21 saka sakaling pumasok itong bonus free throw.
Ang ganda ng pasa nito si Win Arboleda, recognizing na wala siyang mapupuntahan doon. Drops it off over his